The Google Pixel update for January of 2026 is here, and you should be able to start downloading it now over the air. That means that it's being pushed out to the phones. This is a rolling update. I put a little asterisk next to this because, well, that doesn't necessarily mean everybody's going to get it today, but you can go ahead and check starting today. And just like we always do, it's very easy. Go into the settings, swipe down, get to the settings. We're going to scroll almost all the way down to where it says System, and then you're going to tap on Software Updates, and then you're going to tap on System Update. Now, right here, it says your system is up to date. Most of the time, it's lying. Do not believe it. I know I say this in every video. Tap the Check for Update button, and it'll check again. And then you can see if you actually have it or not. So this is something that's exciting, new year, and I will come back and talk more about some other features and updates and stuff later. But brand new Pixel, new us. It's great that they're rolling this stuff out. Great that we can go ahead and get it. Latest version of Android 16, security patch updates, a few little fixes. Not a huge ton amount of stuff, but still at the same time, I mean, I know it's not as impressive as the last 2 months. You know, Christmas, we got our little maintenance patch. We've got 2 different feature updates 2 months in a row, major feature updates for November and then for December. So Google is firing on all cylinders right now. They're doing a great job with the Pixel phones and the updates and the software stuff. I still think that Google Pixel, with the Pixel experience, with the Android experience for Pixel, is the best that we can get right now. And it's great that it's going ahead and it's rolling out now. So what do? Go check and see if you have it. If you don't have it, don't panic. Don't freak out and be like, oh my gosh, my phone is not secure. I don't have the update. I know it's an exciting time. I know that there's this whole fear of missing out because the patch is available. It's going to start rolling out, so it'll be available going out through this week, next week. Hopefully it shows up before then for you. But we do run into some of those outliers sometimes. And a lot of times it depends on the network or the carrier that you're with, more so than actual Google, because they push these out to the carriers and then they sometimes run their own testing to make sure it doesn't mess anything up with their networks before they push them out to their customers. So a lot of times, if you get it late, it's usually because of a particular carrier. Sometimes it's T-Mobile, sometimes it's Verizon, sometimes it's AT&T. You just never know. So that's one of those things. If it shows up in a couple days, don't worry about it. But exciting stuff for the Pixel phones. I always love to make this video, and I'm going to circle the wagon back around if there's more stuff to cover. I'm making this video preemptively because I'm in CES right now. I know it's coming out, and I want to make people aware that you can go ahead and go get it as soon as it's available. So I'm actually going to be gone. I'm away from my phone and my computer and all this stuff as of the making of this video. So I want to go and make it because Google is always pushing these things out. I'll be in the middle of an airplane flying across the Atlantic. I'll be out in the middle of the wilderness, and I won't have a phone. It's like, oh, yeah, Google went ahead and pushed the update out. So this is kind of I'm trying something a little bit different. So I will circle back around if there's anything super important. I was reading some stuff that there may be some actual new features coming out this month because I just did it with Google, and Google was like, oh yeah, we're getting some new things. I'll actually type it in here while we're talking. January Pixel Update 2026. So Gemini says the 2026 Pixel Update primarily contains monthly security patch. There was some other stuff I saw about like Magic Eraser update and a couple other things, but it's likely just going to be bug fixes. Probably going to be Pixel 6 through the Pixel 10. Hopefully the 6 and the 7 guys get it this go around because they've kind of been hit or miss with some of that stuff the last couple of months. But anyway, like I said, this is just a short and sweet video today. Let you know it's there. Go ahead and check for it, and I will come back and I will cover more if there is more necessary to cover. I just wanted to let y'all know I didn't want this to be a day and a half late. I come back because I'm gonna be away from any ability really to record all day because I got stuff going on at CES. So I'm just trying to look out for you guys, trying to make sure you have the latest available information. And hey, I'll always make another Pixel video if it merits talking about. But as far as I know, there's nothing too crazy in this one. It should just be some maintenance stuff, a couple fixes, bug patches, security updates, and things like that. But again, like I said, if there's anything else, I'll come back and cover it. But that's all I got. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you're happy about the update. And sound off where you got it, what phone you got it from, what carrier, what area, what region. It's always nice to see where people are getting it in case we do run into some problems later on. But that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you guys next time.